In this video, I will show you how to change your iPhone hotspot name. First, open settings on your iPhone. Now tap on Personal Hotspot. If Personal Hotspot is grayed out, don't worry. Just go to cellular, turn on cellular data, and then you will get Personal Hotspot. Now here is something important you should know. There is no direct option to change the hotspot name from here. So to change the hotspot name, you have to change your iPhone name because the hotspot name is actually the name of your iPhone. So to change the hotspot name, go back settings, then tap on general. Now tap on about. At the top, tap on name. Now enter the new name you want for your iPhone. This name will automatically be used as your personal hotspot name. If you don't see the new hotspot name right away, turn personal hotspot off, then turn it on again. If it's still not updated, restart your iPhone. After restarting, turn on your hotspot and the new name should be appear. And that's it. You have successfully changed your iPhone hotspot name. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful videos.